Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix iPhone screenshot not working. And here's how it is done. Number 1. Use the correct screenshot method. iPhone with Face ID. Press side button plus volume up together. iPhone with home button. Press home plus power button together. 2. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart or forced restart can fix minor glitches. 3. Check storage space. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. If storage is full, delete unnecessary files. 4. Enable Assisted Touch Screenshot. Alternative method. Settings, Accessibility. Touch, Assisted Touch. Enable it. Tap Assisted Touch menu. Device, More, Screenshot. 5. Update iOS. Settings, General, Software Update. Install if available. 6. Check for app restrictions. Some apps, example banking apps, block screenshots for security. Try in another app. 7. Reset all settings last resort. Settings, General, Transfer or reset iPhone. Reset all settings. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix iPhone screenshot not working. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.